Now next is kinetic friction. Now we discuss this thing, as we increase the external applied force, static friction also increases up to certain limiting value, and that is the Fs maximum. When our external applied force exceeds that Fs maximum, then object start motion, means object slide on the surface. And as soon as the relative motion starts, the static friction Fs maximum that decreases. Okay? And here the frictional force that is present which opposes this relative motion, and that frictional force which opposes this relative motion, that is known as kinetic friction or sliding friction. Here kinetic friction also does not depend on the area of the surfaces which are in contact, as well as it is nearly independent of the relative velocity. Here, just like static friction, the kinetic friction also depends only on the normal reaction. So Fk proportional to n. So we can write Fk, that is mu kn, where this mu k proportionality constant, that is known as coefficient of kinetic friction. And experimentally we observe this thing, when the body starts sliding on the surface, then the friction decreases slightly, then Fs maximum. So kinetic friction is less than Fs maximum. So here we can observe this thing, mu k, the coefficient of kinetic friction, that is less than the coefficient of static friction. Clear to all of you?